everyone. I hope you feel just fine, and today I will present you the Shibyield project. And as you can see on the home page, we have home, tokenomics, pre-sale project roadmap, audit reports, tech audio, DFI audios, documents, white paper, Shibyield smart contract, and you can of course find information about contact them. And on the right side we have some website on which you can join them. So let's move on to the first step of that website, tokenomics. And this is a Shibyield Inu dog from planet Shibimoon, which is a hybrid of biological organism and decentralized yield farming algorithms. He's a highly intelligent dog whose body has been permanently supplemented with a self-running artificial intelligence algorithm. He's a cybergenic organism and technically modified biological life form and fights for the alliance to maintain the balance in the crypto universe. And of course we have also token details, the blockchain, token contract address, token name, token symbols, and DKML. The automatic liquidity is 8% of total sell value. Automatic stocking is 2% of every trade. And yeah, move on to the pre-sale, which is live on Pink Sale Finance. And here we have every information you need for that. And for example, a pre-sale price in BNBs, maximum 3 pre-sale tokens, liquidity lockup time, or team vesting locked tokens. And you have to know that Shibyield is meme token with real project, and they are going to launch 5 major projects in first one, and they will plan more attractive DeFi project in first 2. In first one, they are committed to launch Shibi liquidity locking for yield farming, ShibSwap for token exchange, ShibBridge for transferring coins from one blockchain to other, ShibPay for hybrid integrated payment gateway with prepaid crypto card, Shib wallet to send, receive crypto and connect DeFi world. And here we can find the more information about Shibyield. For example, Shibyield Inu Bridge, which is the decentralized cross-blockchain cryptocurrency transfer protocol, which allows users to transfer coins and tokens from one blockchain to another and vice versa without paying any fees. It's really nice. Shibyield Inu Pay, Shibyield Inu Wallet, Shibyield Inu Swap, or Shibyield Inu Liquidity. And this is a unique, unprecedented liquidity platform which runs on multiple blockchains. And also the roadmap is really nice because they launched missions in 3 phases to achieve their goals. And here we have Moon mission, Mars mission, and Galaxy mission. The first mission is Moon mission, and for example they planned to do design and graphic, airdrop and giveaways, big marketing campaigns, Pancake swap locking, coin market cap listing, coin Greco listing, and 5,000 holders. And the last mission is Galaxy mission, on which they plan to do listing on 2 exchanges from top 10 exchanges, ShibPay launch, Shib wallet launch, hybrid LP integration, cooperation with other projects with 50,000 holders. And a little lower we have contact to them and reach out to them to learn more about their projects, investment opportunities and exchange listing. And here we have technical help, of course, and more information. So let's go to the home page and know more about the project. Here we have tech audio, and we can choose home, partners and audits. Let's go to home, and here we have information about tech audio, which is blockchain solutions and consulting. Tech audio is an agency focused on blockchain solutions and audits. Let's go to the partners, and here we have information about their partners, which is A Brown, and also Pinscale. And of course you can become their partner, you can contact them and write your informations. And let's check the audits. Here we have smart contract audits, CryptoShib, and you can read audit, Coin Hunters, Lofi DeFi, Megashib Inu, Checkcoin, Flocky Inu, Dotworks, CryptoPlans, Sprayly, Heido, Kix Inu, and Bezos Coin. Let's read about that audit. And here we have informations about that and their table of contents. Let's go to some introduction. This audit report mainly focuses on the overall security of Bezos Coin smart contract. With this report, we have tried to ensure the reliability and correctness of their smart contract by complete and rigorous assessment of their systems architecture and the smart contract code base. And also, of course, we can read about auditing approach and methodologies applied, audit details, audit goals, security, sound architecture, code correctness and quality. Of course, you can read about every step in that website. And let's go back to the beginning, the home page, and check documents, the white paper. And here we have Shibyield and some information, more information about that project, legal disclaimer, and about that project, legal in, and of course about the ecosystem information. Shibyield Inu is a decentralized finance token on the Binance Smart Chain. Unlike other projects, only heavily dedicated to farming and liquidity pool acquisition, they aim to develop a cross-blockchain bridge, highly flexible payment system, and DeFi integrated crypto wallet. They are committed to avoiding messy price fluctuations as much as possible. And here we have, of course, staking, which means that Shibyield Inu 2% is redistributed to all holders as part of automatic staking. This is done to reward holders, and they home on the Binance Smart Chain is the project place to do it. And here we have staking benefits, and of course this is a eco-friendly staking, scalable, you have passive income and no hardware requirements. And you can read here more about the benefits, more about that interesting project, and of course they thank you for reading. And let's go to the homepage and to the Shibyield smart contract. Here we have all of information about that step, and you can read about it, you can find here this information. And so yeah, I think this is all about that project. Of course, subscribe and leave a like, and let me know what do you think about that project, of course in comments. And yeah, thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.